Hey guys, Hallie McCrory here with Empower Real Estate Group here in Dallas, Texas. Specifically, I'm showing you a house today in Ridgewood Park, just really a really good area, East Dallas. This is a dramatic rebuild here in the neighborhood on Axton Street. And it's got 5 beds, 5 baths, almost 4,000 square feet, super mid-century modern. So I'm really excited to show this one to you guys. Let's go take a tour. So just from the start, I mean, this is an amazing front elevation. We've got an attached 2-car garage and white painted brick. And here's a little view of the neighborhood. Excellent neighbors over here. We've got, little cactus adorning the front, which is very nice. So this is 3,907 square feet. So just over 3,900. Love the green accent. We've got the mailbox. So walking in, you've already got a wow with the art and staging. Just a little peek at these. They've got the recessed lighting that can be pointed at any art you hang. So this is white oak right here. Very beautiful. We've got a marble fireplace. Marble countertops. So you can see the mid-century vibe in here. I love how this builder included lighting in the built-ins. Very chic. We've got Subzero fridge. Really plays into the mid-century modern. Nice appliances. And this countertop's actually pretty high, which is nice. Got a little step down here. So this lot is really cool. This is actually a creek running through your backyard here. Really cool chandelier light fixture. And we've got sliding doors on both sides, so you could totally open this up. Maybe once it cools down a little bit. We're in the middle or beginning of August right now, so things are a little hot here still, a little buggy right now, but once it cools down, this will be really nice to have both of those doors open and have that for entertaining. So we've got garage here, laundry room. Again, the upgraded countertops in here. Lots of storage. So here we've got a little, I guess you could use this potentially as a bedroom. There is a sliding pocket door, but I would probably use this as an office. And you've got an attached ensuite bathroom. Very nice. We've got the floating vanities. Those are my favorite. And again, the upgraded countertops too. So this is kind of a little funky space, but could easily be used for storage. And then we've got closet space as well if you wanted to have, make that a guest room. And crawl space for underneath the house. So easy access, pier and beam foundation. Okay, did I miss any bedrooms? Oh yeah, we'll go on the other side of the house and then we'll go up. So the master suite is upstairs. Important information to know. Here's another guest room. Very spacious because could easily fit a king or a California king in here. And the guest bath. Very clean. And another guest room with an ensuite. The gray looks really good, but not too sterile. Okay, now we'll head upstairs. I love the art that they included in the staging. Okay, now we'll head upstairs. So we've got the recessed lighting, big window. So in here, this could be kind of like a media room. or bonus room. I think I would make this like a movie room for myself. We got the ironwork, big sliding barn door, tall ceilings. Yeah, and see, this is where you could put your, this is where you could put your, you know, microwave for popcorn. It's got the wine fridge. Okay, we've got another guest room with sliding pocket doors. And this actually overlooks out into the creek. It's lots of trees for privacy, so you don't really get to see the creek, but definitely keeps the yard very green. Okay, now for the best part. Got the master suite, lots of recessed lighting, and again, the adjustable for your art. This is the best part. Primary bath. How dreamy is this? With this light coming through too. It's about 8:15 right now in the morning. So this is what your light looks like in the morning. I'm like, this is all lighting. This is not like, you can see where I have the shadow. Pretty cool how it comes in like that. So again, we've got the floating vanity, double sinks, which is really nice. More drama. Huge master closet. We love this. You've even got a bench to put your shoes on. Already got the full-length mirror in. I mean, look at all this storage. Insane. I mean, even this little, you know, private lavatory space, so much storage. And then you can have your own washer and dryer up here. Amazing. And we got our attic access right there too. Yeah, but I mean, this is really hard to beat. You don't find this often in this neighborhood. So yeah, we've covered the whole house now. This is listed by Mitch Lee with the Michael Group. One more bathroom. This is the one we did not cover. How cool is this tile work? Yeah, and they've got it listed at $1,750,000. Beautiful neighborhood, beautiful house. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to help you. My name is Hallie McCrory with Empower Real Estate Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Again, this is on a creek lot in Ridgewood Park on Axton, Axton. Thanks for coming along.